Hello everyone, welcome to this channel Government Job Vision. Today in this video, I will discuss about how to score good marks in your non-technical section. After publishing your Coal India result, a lot of students they realize that they are lacking in non-technical sections. They are not getting good marks in non-technical section. That's why they are not selected in Coal India exams. In fact, those students messaged me to how to prepare non-technical sections, make video on that to prepare well the topic of non-technical subjects. So in this video, I will tell you step by step, section by sections, to how to cover your non-technical sections step by step to achieve good marks to get success. So in this video, I will discuss aptitude sections. How should you to prepare aptitude section to achieve good marks in aptitude section. So let's see. Before starting aptitude section topic, any topic, you should follow 3 steps. Firstly, you should go to basic knowledge about that particular chapter. Then go to good method or short tricks related to that chapter, and use how to use trick in all questions. You have to practice on that. I will elaborate these steps in a easy way. Suppose that you are going to prepare your percentage topic or profit and loss. Then you have to aware about all the formulas related to percentage and profit and loss. But just you have to memorize some formulas, basic formulas given in all books and notes. Okay, after completing your basic formula, then you have to solve questions related to that formula. 3 to 4 questions solve about that formula. By solving these questions, you have to well knowledge to how to use formula in questions. Then you should try to tricks, how to apply tricks in that questions to analyze the tricks and formula. So for these things, you can follow the list of aptitude section in our channel. So there are a lot of tricks are there in particular subject wise, chapter wise. You can learn from there and try to use in questions. There are at least 4 to 5 questions on each topics. Okay, then you have to solve these 4 questions or 5 questions using tricks. Then go to practice for other questions and use that tricks in that question. This will help you to link these tricks in other questions and try to solve within a second. So you have to revise all tricks, write down all tricks in short notes, make a short note on all tricks about that particular subject and use that. Then after completing these things, then you have to go another chapter. Okay, that's mean you have to completed all the problems related profit and loss and practice and use tricks in that questions. Then we have to move forward to another chapter. All students doing this only read some basic formula and some doing some practice. They leave the chapter and go to another chapter. That's mean they are lacking the knowledge about that particular subject. That's why not getting good marks in aptitude sections. Okay, this step revise every chapter. With every chapter, profit and loss, percentage, average, speed and distance, all the chapters. This is the method to improve your marks in aptitude sections. So you have to good method. You should good method or short tricks and how to use trick in all questions by practice in that particular chapter. Then go to another chapter to try this step in that chapter. The next question, how to achieve full command and confidence in aptitude section. देखिए देयर इज 2 स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप प्रैक्टिस विथ बेसिक फॉर्मूला. Okay, then practice with tricks. These two steps is very is enough to give you confidence in that particular chapter. Then you can follow these steps and by completing these steps, and you can achieve a good marks in that particular section. So in last I want to tell you that if you think that you are the hero of your technical subjects, that it's not enough to achieve your goal. You should be hero to your non-technical section as well. So next video for your how to prepare reasoning section I will upload very soon after this video. If you like this video, then keep subscribe this channel and stay connected and be positive. Thanks for watching.